Hello ladies and gentlemen, long time no see, how is everybody? Today's question is not difficult. It is very obvious that we can solve it using substitution and then integration by parts. But the challenge is, we need to perform 4 or 5 integration by parts before we can get the answer. So therefore, we are going to use DI table method for the integration by part that can be done in a single table. First, define substitution u equals to 1 over x. From here, we know that x squared equals to 1 over u squared, or x power 6 equals to 1 over u power 6. And then we differentiate du over dx equals to negative 1 over x squared, or dx equals to negative 1 over u squared multiply du. As for the integration bound, when x equals to 1, u also equals to 1. When x equals to 0, u tends to infinity. Replace them into equation q. We have new q equals to integral infinity to 1, negative 1 over u squared multiply u power 6 multiply e power negative u du, which can be further simplified become integral 1 to infinity u power 4 multiply e power negative u du. From here, we can solve the question Q using many rounds of the integration by parts. To make our life easier, we are going to implement the DI table for integration by parts. First row is positive. We choose u power 4 for differentiate and then e power negative u for integral. Second row is negative. D become 4 u power 3 while I become negative e power negative u. Third row is positive. We obtain 12 u squared and then e power negative u. Next row is negative. We obtain 24u and then negative e power negative u. And then the other row is positive, which is 24 and e power negative u. The final row is negative, which is 0 and negative e power negative u. So this table already solved so many rounds of integration by part. It gives us the answer q equals to, the first one is e power negative u and then multiply negative u power 4 and then minus negative 4 u power 3 and then minus 12 u power 2 and then minus 24 u and then minus 24 for u equals to 1 and infinity. Putting u equals to infinity, we know that e power negative infinity is equal to 0 minus the same equation but e equals to 1, which is e power negative 1 and then multiply negative 1 minus 4 minus 12 minus 24 and minus 24. So put everything together, give us the final answer of this question, which is equals to 65 over e. Thank you for watching my video. Please continue to support my channel, subscribe, give a like and share my video with others. I hope to see you again very soon for my next video. Bye bye.